In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass update shifts in your schedule. This includes moving shifts around, deleting them, copying them, and merging shifts together. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected so you have schedules to work with. Then click on Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, choose the schedule you would like to work with. Go up to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. You should now arrive at a list of shifts for your schedule. If you want to copy a set of shifts, choose the shifts you would like to copy. Let's say these two. Then click on Update and choose Copy. TeamWork 5 is going to ask you to select an employee to assign those copies to. I'll go ahead and pick one. If you don't want to do this, choose Close. If you do, click Submit. And now those shifts have been copied. And you can see that Cassie has been assigned to work them. Let's say I changed my mind and I didn't want to do that. I can click on both those shifts again, choose Mass Update again, and then select Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete those shifts. If I don't, I would hit Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now those shifts have been deleted. I could also edit more than one shift at a time. Let's say that these two 9 a.m. shifts need to come in half an hour earlier. I can click on both these shifts, then click on Update, and choose Edit. Now I can edit any of the information within these shifts in mass. If I do this, it will apply to all of the shifts I have selected. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 8:30 in the morning. Whenever I make a change, it will be highlighted in green and a check mark will appear next to it. That's just TeamWork 5 letting you know you have made a change. If you don't want to do this, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now those shifts start at 8:30 instead of 9. I can also choose to move shifts. Let's say that this one, since it's a duplicate, I don't want there. I can click on it, go to Update, choose Move, and TeamWork 5 is going to ask me which location I want to move this shift to. So let's say that I wanted to move this to the burrito shop. I would click on Burrito Shop and then choose Submit. If I do this right now, nothing is going to happen because there is not a schedule built for the burrito shop. But let's pretend like there was. If I didn't want to do this, I would choose Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Submit. And notice TeamWork 5 has a red bar letting me know that that schedule doesn't exist. If it did exist, there would be a green bar there letting me know that that shift had been successfully moved. That's how you can move shifts between locations, but you do need to have schedules created in both locations in order to do that. I'm going to go ahead and hit Close to exit out of this. And I'm going to uncheck this box. The final mass update I'm going to show you how to do is how to merge shifts that are back-to-back and are for the same station. To do that, I'm going to select all of the shifts by clicking the Select All button at the top of the chart. And now all of the shifts have been selected. Then I'm going to click on Tools and choose Merge Shifts. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to merge back-to-back shifts. If I don't, I would click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now the back-to-back shifts have been merged together. I could have also selected the two shifts that I wanted to merge, but in this case I want to clean up my schedule, so I'm going to merge all of them. And that's how you can mass update shifts in your TeamWork 5 account. You can copy your shifts, move them, edit them, merge them, and even delete them in mass. Check out the next video to learn how to inactivate and reactivate your schedule.